Today I'm doing some tests on some of the Arduino devices. I realized that they are not working. I just don't know why. I thought the board is supposed, this is a new board, I never use it very often. And it's just spoiled, like not working or not delivering what I want. And when I test it like this, a laser, this really works. I don't know why. When I use it on the models, it doesn't work. I have been doing testing for many days, so today what I want to do is, I'm going to test on the wire. And I realized that some of the wires is already broken inside. All these wires are not working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Earlier I tested out and they all seems to be working. And then today I tested out all my models are dead. This is not working. I don't know. So my assumption is it could be the board. I have been testing the lights on the board and the buttons. Everything works, and even the laser works. Today I realized that it's not the board. The board is working fine. It is because of the wire. It's just not working, and almost cost me about 43 to buy a new board. All because of a few dollars of lousy wires. That the next time I buy wires, I have to test out all of it. The wires has caused a lot of trouble. I touched the three together. This three, black, white, and grey. Then I touched black, white, and grey. They're just not moving, and I can just throw them all away. Remaining is the yellow one also dead. This is all I have. The price I paid for so many wires. I only get 3 that is in good conditions. Yeah, you see the 3? 1, 2, 3. It took me more than 2 hours to figure out what is going on. If you find something is wrong, don't assume that the board is spoiled. Check on the wires first. All these wires, wonderful. I almost want to return this. When you buy jumper wires, they normally come in packets. Look at it, the band here is very dangerous. Always test all the wires to make sure they are all in working order. Otherwise, you would assume that this thing is fried, which is not what you want. Look at it, the price. It's not that expensive. Yeah, you bought it from the electronic shops, the rainbow jumper wire. Then I'm gonna test out all these wires. I already thrown away 4. I need one more to test out the model. These are very rigid wires. Oh, I don't know what is hardened. I'm not sure if that works. You're gonna test out one by one, all of it. Make sure that all works. I'm just gonna touch these 5 wires. Dead. This color is dead. It's not working. What about the red one? The first time I come across a new wires that is broken. Wow, every one of it dead. Only the blue, purple, grey. Wow, there's only 3 of it that I can use. The rest I can just throw away. Out of 10 wires, I only can use 4 for now, until it breaks. Only 4. All is throw away. Yeah. I don't really like Dupont wires because they are very fragile. They can break easily. Because they are too rigid. Yeah. If I have an option, I will use other wires. Here you go.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe